Early successional plant communities consist of grasses, forbs, legumes, and woody saplings and shrubs. These systems are dominated by grasses and broadleaf plants. In the southeastern U.S., these areas require routine disturbance to prevent them from advancing into forest. Globally, early successional habitat is one of the most imperiled habitats. In the U.S., we have seen similar trends in the decline of early successional plant communities and many of the wildlife species they support. The United States has made great strides to incentivize the protection, establishment, and management of early successional plant communities and the wildlife they support through previous and current Farm Bill programs. In response to increasing interest in establishing and maintaining these early successional habitat areas, we have developed a research and demonstration area at Sand Hill Research and Education Center. Within this area, we are looking at plant community response to type, timing, and frequency of disturbance. Plots in this study are assigned to a disturbance type, either prescribed fire or disking. Each plot is also assigned to either growing season or dormant season disturbance. And finally, the plots are assigned to either an annual or a biennial disturbance. The combination of these factors closely represents what land managers would be utilizing on their properties. The early successional habitat demonstration at Sand Hill Rec has been utilized to train professionals from Clemson Extension, SCDNR, USDA, NRCS, U.S. Forest Service, U.S. Department of Defense, and several non-government agencies. Information gathered from this demonstration area has been heavily utilized in training for South Carolina landowners who are focused on management of bobwhite quail and wild turkey. A big push for this project came from the South Carolina Bobwhite Initiative, which has been a perfect example of collaborative efforts to restore declining habitat and wildlife communities. This long-term study will shed light on how plant communities evolve under routine prescribed disturbances. This is a very interesting component as we are seeing that plant communities do in fact change within a treatment area over time. And a big question that we hope to address is, will plant communities continue to change over time, or does the community eventually meet an equilibrium within a given treatment? This information will play a key role in the development of management recommendations for the future. Findings from this research will also provide valuable information to wildlife biologists, particularly those focused on grassland and early successional bird species. Utilizing known bird habitat requirements and component utilization can be compared with field responses to select treatment type, timing, and frequencies that offer the closest vegetative response to habitat requirements of the respective bird species. Our hope is that this project will continue to provide valuable management information with respect to one of the most highly imperiled plant communities on the planet. We hope to continue to train professionals and landowners to ensure that their diligent efforts in this manner are successful.